What is Class A airspace or Class Alpha airspace? So Class A airspace or Class Alpha is generally going to be where your jets are flying, your commercial airliners are flying, those types of aircraft that are flying up at high altitudes, they're traveling long distances, all right? And so we've got Class Alpha airspace starts at 18,000 feet MSL or mean sea level. And I've got this chart down here, this diagram down here explaining we've got AGL, FL, and MSL. So MSL means mean sea level. So that is 18,000 feet above mean sea level. Then you've got flight levels, which are designated in, so like flight level 600 is going to be 60,000 feet. And then you've got AGL. So this is going to be above ground level. You don't see that with Class Alpha airspace. We'll talk more about that when we get in the other types of airspace. But Class Alpha airspace runs from 18,000 feet MSL to flight level 600. It is not on your exam. You will not operate your drone in Class Alpha airspace. So as a result, it is not on the exam. And the reason why you're not operating is because it's just so high up. Even at the highest point in the United States, you're not going to get 400 feet away from 18,000 feet MSL on some sort of structure. So Class Alpha airspace, that's what it is. It's there. You need to know it exists. But again, on your exam, there will not be any questions.